That's your new cutting machine, okay? So let's go ahead. Let's make this happen. I'm going to share my screen. I create a custom size. So let's go up here to create. My custom size is right here. I don't know why it's called logo, but it's 2000 by 2000 pixels. Just go in here where it says custom size, and you just type in 2000 by 2000. You can do any size you want. This is a nice square size that works for me. Let's go up to File, and we will give it a name. We'll say how to make stickers without machine. And we will go here and we will save that. Okay. And let's just make that a little smaller. Okay. One of the first things I do is I go up here to the background color and I choose a light purple. And the reason I do that is when we make a sticker, when I make a sticker, I almost always have a white shadow, a border. And if I have it on a white background, of course, I can't see that. So let's start this. I'm going to try and do this as quickly as possible. We're going to go into Elements and then Graphics. And let's pick today, let's do ice cream. Okay. How about this cutie? I think this would be a really easy sticker to make because with scissors, you're just going to cut around this shape. So that's pretty good. So let's do this. Let's copy it one time, copy page. And that way, if we make a mistake, it'll be really easy to get it back. We're going to go to Edit. And we're going to go to See All. Oh, sorry, wrong one. We're going to go to Edit. Once again, Edit. And we're going to come down here to Shadows. That's what the border is called. And they call it an outline. If you mess up, you just come up here and you hit None. Let's go ahead and we'll do an outline. And we're going to make this about 35. And we're going to change the color. And you could go up here and make it white. But what I usually do is, oh, I got it correctly. I have this one memorized. So I just go hashtag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Fs. And that gives you a nice white, like the purest white. All right. So what we're going to do is go ahead and save, although really honestly with Canva, it saves a lot. Oh, note, I do use Canva Pro, and I would highly suggest that if Canva is your design software, not Photoshop or something like that, or illustration, then just go ahead and we'll try it free. You can try Pro free, but I'm telling you, you see like all these designs with the crowns, that's all included in the Pro, the background remover. See, there's a crown there, and you're going to use that all the time if you're making stickers. All right. So let's do this. So let's do the same thing. Let's duplicate the page. So just if we need to get back there, it'll be easy to get back to. Let's hit the image and we're going to hit the plus, and now we have a duplicate of that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another shadow on this that will be black, and that will be really easy to cut out and leave you with the white shape. So let's go Edit, and then pull I call it the elevator down to Shadows, See All. Now, oh, it's white, so let's pick black. And we want to make this actually larger than the white one. We'll make this, I don't know, 55. Let's try that. Okay, enter. All right, now this is a little bit tricky, but we can do this. What I want to do is align these so that the one with the white is inside the one with the black. So we can go position, layers, and you just bring the black one down here, and now you see the white ones on top. But the real thing is we want to make the white one just a little bit smaller so you can see the black outline, which is what you'll end up cutting to leave the white outline. Again, with your scissors. Okay, let's highlight this, and we're going to group it. And the reason you group it is now you can move it around as one item, one image. Let's, I'm going to go move up, move up. I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to go some with ice cream and cut sticker. And let's do this. Let's go share. Let me move this so you can see it. There we go. Okay, we're going to download it. So we're going to hit download. We want PNG, which it defaults to. We want this page, because I already have 3 on there, right? But we only want this page. And it's going to be PNG and then transparent background. Oh, and that's a crown also. So you really do need the Pro if you're going to work in Canva. Let's hit download. Let's take a look at it. Now you're not going to see the black outline, but if I go edit, so you can clearly see, and the edit would be if you want to resize it a little bit, but there's really no need to on the transparent ones, because all it's going to print for us is the actual sticker. All righty, here we go.
Hi, I'm Sarah Abrams from Sticky Business, a new school community where we talk about stickers, and more stickers. So if you're interested, please come and join us. The information is in the link below, or go to skool.com, skool.com, and search under Discovery for Sticky Business. It is a free community, and we welcome every level of sticker maker, from novice to someone who doesn't even have a cutting machine like a Cricut or a Silhouette. You can still make stickers, and I will show you how, to the person who's made stickers and wants to evolve into a business. All right, I'll see you at school.
This is part 2 of the making stickers without machinery, just using good old-fashioned scissors. So let's see what we got. I went into Avery, and let me see if I can quickly redo this for you. It's avery.com, and let's get this a little smaller. And then you go blank labels, free templates. Do I have a product? What's the product number here? Start designing. Do blank right there. This is actually just one square of the 6. We are going to go to image, add image, upload, browse for file. Again, it's in downloads. There, it's right there. I'm going to open it. This is our cut line for this. So let's go ahead and make it nice and large. Well, it actually tells me 2.46 by 2.46. I don't think that's the size of the actual image. Anyway, and you see how it filled up the six sheets, or I'm sorry, the six squares on the sheet, and we can lock that in right here. And then I went to preview. Where's my preview? Preview and print. Okay, looks nice. And it looks like we need PDF. I don't need, so let's go ahead. Let's just go ahead and print it. Print. Yeah. Before I print, I just wanted to show you that, of course, I actually have sticker paper. You could get some Avery stickers with the 6 squares on it, or however you want to. The way my printer works, it is shiny side down. I'm using an Epson. And then we're gonna go, I don't need to save this project. And I guess we open PDF. Interesting. Look how cute. Let's see if we can make it print from here. I'm gonna hit print. It's, we don't want black and white. No, we want color. Now let me go to more settings, because typically I would make sure that the quality is high. And let me see, use the dialogue and color, more settings. Yes. So right here where it says quality, I'm going to say, well, before I say that, I'm going to go here and choose the premium presentation paper matte. It may not be the same for your sticker paper, but that's what I do. I hit high. I'm now in my printer system dialog, which every printer will have. I'm going to say okay. And we're going to say print. And we're going to pray.